Hello everybody and welcome to my channel Kerala GSB Konkani dishes, and today I have come up with Dali polae. As the name suggests, it is prepared from dal. No rice is being used. So this is a very healthy and nutritious breakfast and can be prepared easily. This is a rich source of protein, and because it is rich in two different type of dal without any rice. You need not ferment the batter, and you can prepare this dosa either crisp or like uttapam consistency according to your taste. No onion and garlic have been used in the preparation. To the ingredients. You need 1 cup urad dal, 2 cups moong dal, 3 to 4 green chilies sliced, 1 tablespoon ginger cut into small pieces, 1 to 2 tablespoon curry leaves, 1/4 teaspoon asafoetida, salt as required and water as required. Wash and soak moong dal, urad dal together or separately for 3 to 4 hours. Add the dal to a smooth batter. Add ginger, green chilies, curry leaves and asafoetida and mix well. Add water to make a dosa batter consistency. Rest the batter for 1 to 2 hours. Grease oil to a dosa tawa and pour a ladle full of batter. Spread the batter to the shape of a dosa. You can even drizzle a small spoon of oil or ghee on the top. Cover the dosa with a lid and cook. Once it has roasted, remove from tawa. Repeat the procedure with the rest of the batter. Your dali polae or dal dosa is ready to be served. Thank you for watching my channel. Please like, share and subscribe. In this channel, I will be telling on how to prepare Kerala GSB Konkani dishes. You can keep watching my channel for this.